Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl, Aisha McNeil, your favorite Georgia Realtor. It has been a while since you've seen me here on the real estate channel. For those of you who be missing me so much, like I be missing you, you can go to Aisha McNeil, Speak Your Desires. Just put in Aisha McNeil. I got another personal channel, but this is the real estate channel. The reason why I've been chilling out over here, is because I'm watching these interest rates and I'm hearing y'all feedback about these interest rates and about waiting and how you don't like the interest rates. I get that. I'm an optimistic person though. I say if you want something, go after it, prepare yourself for it before you do it. I mean, get ready, get in the position. You got to be in the yes position so that any situation come up, you can go ahead and do what you want to do when you want to do it and how you want to do it. I strongly believe in that. So those of you who don't know me, know my story, listen, go to my personal channel and learn more. I've said a lot of things on this channel as well. And so today I want to remind you that if you want something, go after it. And if you're going to go after it, you better position yourself. If you're going to go after it in 6 months, 3 months, you better position yourself right now. Right now. I mean, right now. Okay. So anyway, I understand y'all hearing, you're hearing about the 8% interest rates. Let me explain something to you. If the Fed's rate is 5.5%, the bank is going to raise their interest rate to 8% or more, right? So they can recover what they pay for that money to lend you. So therefore, they're still going to make their money, even though they have to pay more money for the money. And y'all know it's business 101. You have to pass the extra business expenses onto the client. And sometimes it's not great all the time, but in this particular situation, when it comes to the rates, everybody got to get paid. Everybody got to make their money, right? The banks got to make their money too. However, the banks can afford to give a little leeway. Banks, I know y'all can because I came from the bank. Okay. And I'm not trying to put y'all on the spot. I'm just saying, take care of my clients. Thank you. Please, thank you. But I wanted to get on here to let you guys know an example of why I'm optimistic, right? I hear you, the 8% interest rate, Feds is 5.5, the banks is 8.25, 8.9, I'm going to 9%, going to 10%. We don't know, right? You just never know in these matters. So the reason why I am coming to you is because I received something on Wednesday from a new builder, sales agent, okay? And this is and that's just 2 days ago. And if you want this opportunity, you'd have to close by December 31st if you want this opportunity. And remember, I told you guys how banks have a rate, but when you get qualified, it doesn't mean that, you know what I'm saying, you're going to have to pay that high rate, right? So I want you to understand that if you go through this new builder's lender, right, and most of the time the deals come through their lenders. So if you go through their lenders, they're going to give you a better, maybe a better interest rate, maybe some money towards closing or whatever that might be. So let me tell you what I got 2 days ago, which was Wednesday, because we're on Friday now. So it's a program that they have, terms and benefits. They are offering a 30-year fixed rate, 3.99 interest rates, $1,500 lender credit, no points, which means you don't have to pay any points, loan to value up to 95%. So it sounds like the 5% down payment you'd have to make, no mortgage insurance, available for purchase or refinance, primary or secondary residence, conforming in jumbo up to $1,600,000. Minimum credit score is 680. That's it, guys. 680 credit score. No income restrictions. That's good. And maximum debt to income ratio 45%. Hey, I would say, wow, you can't beat this. Condominiums are permitted as well. So once again, they offering a 3.99 interest rate. They really want to sell. Guess what that means for you as a buyer? That means that you have a great opportunity today. So if you go on the contract with a house and you close before December, let me tell you, typically if you are in the ready position, your maximum debt to income ratio is 45%. Once you go on the contract, you lock in that 3.99% rate so you don't have to worry about, it's going to go up on you. So this is a program they're offering for this new bill. And if you're in Covington or Conyers, or you're interested in moving to Covington or Conyers area, contact me at 470-458-8030. 470-8, I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong number. I don't call myself, guys. 470-458-8030. Once again, 470-458-8030. If you are interested in the Covington and Conyers area, if you're interested in moving there, if you're interested in staying there, just give me a call. They are starting from $280,000 up to maybe like $325,000. So these are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Okay. So give me a call if you are interested in that. This is a really great deal. And like I said, it says that you have to close by December 31st. So that is part of the terms. So if you're ready, we need to move forward on that. So I know it's been a while since I've been on this channel because I've been watching the rates go up. And I've been hearing what you guys been saying. All you pessimistic people, I love you. Saying, I can't do it. That rate is too much. That rate is too high. I waited so long, even though it was a 5% and a 6% and a 7%. I thought they were going to go down. Unfortunately, I can't do 8%. I'm sorry. However, you had a chance at 5%, 6%, 8%. Now it's 8%. I'm sorry, but it's not that bad, guys. Depending on the amount of house that you buy is not that bad. So I want to help you close this deal if you're interested in that 3.99. So let's see what they're talking about, because you know I'm going to be the top negotiator for you, right? Listen, I got you. If you're interested in that, let me know. It's in the Covington and Conyers area, and it is a nice neighborhood. Like I said, I already sold one of those houses before, and I like them. So the inspection report wasn't bad at all. And, you know, you have warranty on the home. So if you're interested, let me know. I want to talk to you people about interest rate. It's according to your payment. If you can afford the payment, that's for you. If it's too high, it's not for you. Because the worst thing you want to do is get a house and then lose it in foreclosure. Okay, so you don't want to do that. However, there are things for you who are in foreclosure. I want to say this, and I wasn't going to say this. I didn't plan on saying this. For you who are backed up in your payments, it's best for you to call your lender. They have some home counseling programs for you. If you need help with paying your mortgage, just give them a call. There is a thing called forbearance as well. I think we all experienced that when COVID happened, whether you have forbearance for rent and forbearance for the mortgage. And when you went into forbearance for the mortgage, they didn't take any payments. And then when you sent the payment, if you didn't get out of the forbearance, they didn't take the payment. So when you come back out of forbearance, then they take your payment and they set you up, and there's another thing that you can do too, but I'll talk more to you guys about that and how you lower your interest rate. If you already got a home, the options that you can take to lower your interest rate if that's too much for you. So if you want some information on that, give me a call back, give me a call. Because I don't want to put that out here. I'm not trying to tell you guys to buy a house just so you can get help with, with these things. Lenders, they got to make their money too. And I think by them giving you the loan, they're doing you a favor. But at the end of the day, you got to get your terms and you got to make sure they really are doing you a favor, because they are in this to get paid. So if you are interested in that home that I told you about, those terms and programs for 3.99 interest rate, give me a call. And the number, once again, is 470-458-8030. And as always, I tell you guys, take life by the throat and make it speak into existence what you desire. If you desire that home, if you desire whatever it is you desire, just align it up with the purpose of God, and God is going to definitely give you the desires of your heart. I know it. I love my Abba. My wonderful Heavenly Father is within me, showing me and guiding me. And I am here for you guys because of God, because he put me here for you. I am a gift of God to you. I'm a gift of God even to myself, to my family. And I like that God uses me as a vessel to do his work. It is a privilege and an honor to be able to help, others and help them to accomplish their goals and to walk them through this journey that seems very difficult sometimes. But I'm here with you. I'm your number one fan. So if you are interested, once again, in that Covington, Conyers area, and you want this home and see if you could get qualified for this home under this program, listen, give me a call. You only need a 680 and your DTI can be the max of 45%. But I suggest, like I always tell people, be less than 45%, so it won't be a problem for you, period. Okay, so you can email me at speakyourdesires@aishamcneil.com, and you can call me at 470-458-8030. I love you. God bless you. Later.